Translating web pages is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this web video, I will be showing you exactly how you guys can do it. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So, let's dive right into the video. This is one of the website that is written in Japanese, as you guys can see that, and now I'm going to translate it. So one way is by simply clicking on the translate button in the address bar right on the top. So here when I click on that, you will see an option that is currently in Japanese, and if I go click on English, the web page will now be translated into English. So it is that simple. Now you guys can see that it's translated into English. So you guys can do it as well. So the other method is simply by searching the uh, website translator extension on the Google Chrome. So you guys can install a bunch of translation extension on the Google Web Store, and that way you will be able to translate the web pages. So simply go ahead and add this extension to your Google Chrome, and that way you'll be able to translate any web page available on the internet. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel.